Good morning. Today I decided to move my bird feeder in another place, much better, much calm, because exactly here nobody going through this territory. It will be between these two. This is one tree, this is cherry, and between one part of this tree and second part of this tree I tense a rope and fix my feeder on of them. Yeah, it's a little bit lower than I expected, and some cats can reach the birds when they will be eat. So I little bit modify the length of these ropes, and I think it will be fine. Okay, I think it's really much better than it was on its previous places. You know, I have some tension ropes and it's not so shake. Now when it will be very cold, I can add some bird feed to this feeder, and I hope I'll take a lot of videos and pictures of birds almost without any efforts. In general, it's not so good idea to post photos after only one you're working and capture some frames, because you need to time to post-processing it, at least sort it, because a lot of frames of course will be spoiled and even non-technically interesting. So I collect my photos during the week and then started to sorting it. For now I saw a lot of birds on the streets and try to capture. Whew! I have a little trip there, so I found the old road. It's still useful for some agrarian techniques. And a little bit forest there. And these berries, this is very good, because if you have a berry somewhere when it will be cold and snowy, the birds will be there. It's 100%, I'm sure. Marcus, say hello. Hello. Okay, I will try to go down there and look what happened there, because I wasn't there a couple months. Okay, 15 minutes is over, so I think we can go back. Just look at this amazing sunset. Fortunately, GoPro can't show you the really beautiful of colors. Also, I wanna check this forest area, and then we can start to go home. I think we have entrance somewhere here. Yeah, this is entrance. Of course, it's all artificial plants planted, because every field should have some forest line to protect from winds. I again see a berries there. Generally, we have two ways to go to this field. First of all, we can just go through this hill, or just use this pathway. It's a lot of little pine trees, and we will have a big chance to find there a lot of birds when they come here to eat. I found one more amazing science scene. Just look at this unbelievable view, because mountains is now not available for me. I am happy even with these hills. Yeah, we can try to move down there, but not now. Ah, pretty, very pretty. For now there is nothing what we can do this, so I just started to return back before it will be very dark. Animals, wild animals who live there, it's a general the foxes, hares, it's, you know, wild rabbits, big rabbits, hare, some elk, deers, and boars. The boars is the most dangerous there, because I don't know what I could do with boars. It's just track and pole. Okay, let's go. And the last thing what I was to show you today vlog, it's a one very interesting place. You know, there's a bunch of trees full of birds, and this bird is hiding there. It is no possibility to sneak in to them. And one more thing, it's near, this is a river there, and this is, I don't know, maybe specially pit to bring water from the fields to this river, but the deers come from there. And I wanted to show one more thing. Today is the 5th January, and you see it's very warm weather and leaves try to come out, but tomorrow started a cold weather. So thank you for your attention today. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.